Welcome back. This is Van on the Run in transition. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so I'm Joe. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, you may not want to. But if you have, thank you. And yeah, you might want to question your thought process there. No. Look, so my previous, my first season, season 1, episode 1 through 25, was very amateurish, right? You can all agree. We can all agree to that. I did not put a lot of effort into the quality of those videos. Hey, I was excited when I learned how to put text in. I was learning. I really was not doing these videos up till now for entertainment, for anybody else. I really was just doing them for me and probably the future buyer of my van. Because, yeah, I'm realistic. Someday somebody's going to buy this for me. I'm not going to keep it forever and run it into the ground. So, I get it. Some of you watched them. Appreciate that very much. Hopefully you've learned something from me in doing that. They were... I was learning, and it was great to do that and put it on film. I really, like I said, I documented on video. I did the YouTube videos all for myself. Purely just for myself. That's really all I cared about. It helped me document why, where, and when, and whatever, all that stuff of what I did, so that if I need to go, I can go back and look at that. Like, for example, my Espar heater. If you look at those videos, I went into pretty good detail of what all the wiring was all about. And I probably need to go revisit that myself to remind myself even, because I'm going to dig into it again a little bit. I want to still try to perfect and improve my heating system. I have an idea. So I'm going to revisit that and refresh my memory. And that's what these videos do. They put my memory down, because God, just seems like, I don't know, some days I can't remember anything, it seems like. No, I do okay. But the little details I might lose sometimes. Just too many things going on. But it's alright. That's why I did the videos. And accomplished the goal that I had set out from day one. Now I'm almost there. Have I accomplished that goal? I have to say no. I have not. Because even though I've taken a very large hiatus, I apologize. Sincerely apologize. If anybody was interested in coming back and seeing the next video in sequence, I did not tape a bunch of things that I did over the last couple months. And I know my last few videos were very slow, a lot of time in between. I'll explain. But anyways, I digress. The last thing I need to do is still the recirculating shower. I gotta think it's probably one of the more complicated things that I've been trying to solve. And I've had to take my time to do it. And I'll tell you right now, spoiler, I'll tell you what it is. I'm going to do a video on it. So if you watch this, you're going to be a little bit spoiled. Because the problem that I've had to solve in that video, in that next process, and I haven't done it yet, got 2 more days before we start on it, is my shower pan. My shower pan has to be removable. Now, I've looked on YouTube and talked to other van people that move through my town. Nobody's done a removable shower pan that I can find. If you find one, or you have, please comment below so that I can go see that. I'm going to take a shot at it with a linear drain and then tie that all into a recirculating shower with some other new ideas. I think. I don't know. I'm still formulating them. But I'm doing a combination of some crazy things. You've seen the shower in a box, recirculating shower. I'm kind of merging some of that stuff together. But that shower pan has had me stumped for quite a while. But I got an idea. So we're going to go try it. Might not work. You're going to want to come and see that video, I think. Well, especially when I do the first water test to see if it leaks or not. It's going to be fun. But it'll be all right. So when that's done, I'm 99% there. I'm down to little things other than cleaning up. Oh my God, it's a mess. Can you see everything here? The coat's hanging up over here. I got my tree stand over here. Oh yeah, it's hunting season for me, archery. So all my hunting gear's all over. You don't want to see it. It's a mess. It's all over the place. That'll go away. Overhead storage. I did some work on that. I still need to put in the last bit of wiring up there to tilt my solar panels. And boy, do I need to start tilting my solar panels. The sun is already fairly low. I'm not getting the kind of wattage that I used to get. It's shorter daylight, everything, and my battery's not topping off every day like I was accustomed to. And so I got to fix that. So, but with that done, that allows me to do the next project, which is why I'm here today with this video, is to tell you, if you're interested, what's coming with season 2. Yeah, I'm going to try to still do this. I'm going to do a season 2. I'm going to try to step up my video work. I now have multiple cameras. I am charging one. I was going to tape this in 2 cameras, but I did a little bit and then the battery went dead, so I bought a Pocket 2. Love this thing. This thing's pretty slick. It's going to be pretty cool. I also bought a drone, and then I have this new camera, which is my Canon EOS M50. That's also new. So I've picked up 3 new ways of recording, and I still have my other video camera, which is, I really was just recording it with a video camera, you know, handheld little digital Panasonic video camera. Panasonic, I think. I still have that, so I'm going to hook them all up. I got a few ideas on making the shots a little bit more cinematic, if you will. So, see, I even got little tripods now, and big tripods, and other ideas. We'll see someday. You'll see. All right, so yeah, I've been on hiatus for a while. I've still been doing things. I have been planning out my next big projects, and I have been thinking about season 2. Season 2 is primarily going to be about van life. My version of van life. How I'm going to do it. I think different. I've watched a lot of YouTube channels on van life. I've seen the patterns. I've seen the different ways they do it. They're on the road. They're on the go. They're moving all the time. Most of them. I have a different philosophy and approach to that. And I'm going to try to find my own unique way of sharing that with you. And hopefully that you enjoy it. And come along with me. Hopefully some of you will come along with me and see the sights and go through the trials and tribulations of living in a van in a very unique way. And of course, I have a pretty big luxury van. So I think my first video for season 2 will be a van tour. How about that? You might want to check in for that one as well. So I'm going to finish up season 1 with my shower. That's going to take me a few days. Hopefully this comes out before that. This is just to kind of refocus everything and communicate with you. Because I have a few people that did email and ask what was going on. So thank you for that. I'll do a van tour. I'm going to do a video on everything I like that I did in my van, and decisions that I'm happy with that I made. And how I enjoy it, why it makes a difference. And I'm going to do one on the mistakes I made. Things I don't like, the decisions that, the decisions I tried to do, things I tried that didn't work, why they didn't work. I've been fixing those this summer as well. So yeah, I've been busy summer, really didn't have time to do the videos. Between work, real estate, van, a couple of other things going on, other projects I've been working on. Just had to put one on the table, and that was YouTube. So season 2, I'm going to do it. What the hell? This is my first van. It was a really cool experience so far. I'm still learning, and I love that part of life. Learning is secret to life, by the way, to me. If you're not learning something new every day, then you're probably not doing it right. You should be learning something every day. Education never ends. Anybody that's a teenager, oh my God, I'm so sorry for you to discover that. You probably hate being taught, but it gets better. You get to learn, choose what you want to learn. And I've been doing a lot of that. So, that's cool. That's basically it. I'm going to keep this, hopefully I'm going to keep all my videos shorter than my last videos. And I hope that we open up a dialogue through this channel. I'd love to hear from people more. Particularly right now, what's on my mind is to hear from anybody that's watching this to tell me what you'd like to see in videos. What specifically interests you? You want me to dig into something deeper on what I did to my van and something focused? I can do that. Whether it's anything from design. You know, I didn't tell anybody about myself early on. Maybe in season 2 I'll tell you a little bit more about how I ended up here and what my background is and how I've applied that to this project. I did have some skills, some experiences and education to help me do this. So, yeah. All right. Hey, I'm going to sign off. I told that these great channels, they do this thing called an outro, an intro and an outro on videos. I'm going to hopefully develop an intro and an outro, but for now, peace out. That's it. That's all I got. Thanks. See you soon.